Good day again, students. So, here's another video about transformations in the Cartesian plane. So, ito naman ay tungkol sa rotation. This is only about yung rotation sa clockwise direction po, ha? Okay, so let's say nagkaroon daw ng 180 degree half turn yung ating, or nag-spin or nag-rotate yung ating figure unang 180 degree. What will happen is, same coordinates pa rin tayo, same value pa rin tayo ng coordinates or same number, pero mag-change tayo ng sign. So, if you are given coordinates na x, y, then that would be negative x, negative y. Kapag 90 degrees or clockwise quarter turn naman, from x, y, magiging y, negative x. What happened? Nag-switch ng position or nag-swap ng position yung value ng x and y. Then, yung value ng x, nag-change or nag-flip ng sign from positive magiging negative or from negative magiging positive. Depende sa given. So, let me show an example. Let's say you were given point A is, or coordinates ng point A is negative 5, 2, positive 2. If magwa 180 degree turn itong ating coordinate, imaginein mo lang na ito ay magwa 180 degree turn from ng clockwise direction. So, mapupunta siya dito sa quadrant 4. Since bawat quadrant 90 degree, so ito ay less than 90, tas 90, tapos konti na lang, 180 degree na yan. So, na-expect natin, nandito siya sa quadrant 4. Okay? So, magpiplip lang daw po ng sign. Magsuswitch lang ng sign pareho. So, si A prime would be from negative 5 magiging positive 5, from positive 2 magiging negative 2. So, na-expect natin na si A prime ay nasa positive 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then negative 2, nandito po si A prime. So, nagpalit lang po ng sign. So, ito, negative magiging positive, positive magiging negative. Ganun lang po. Now, if you want naman na itong point na to, magkaroon pa ng quarter turn, pagpapalitin mo daw po ng pwesto or value yung x and y. So, magiging, let's say ito na yung i-change natin. So, A prime prime would be negative 2, 5. Pero, tandaan mo na yung value ng x mag-flip ng sign. So, magiging negative 5. Now, check natin sa Cartesian plane. Kung nandito na yung ating point, tapos gusto natin mag 90 degree pa siya ulit, di ba mag-move siya hanggang dito lang naman talaga. So, quadrant 3. Which makes sense kasi ito ay pareho ng negative. So, plot natin yan. That would be A double prime is negative 2, negative 5. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. Hindi ko na masyadong na-explain yung plotting kasi na-expect ko kayang-kaya na yun na yan kasi inaral na natin yan sa classroom. Okay? So, eto na yung ating A prime prime or double prime na point. So, kanina, from A, nag 180 degree turn tayo, napunta yung A prime. Tapos, nag-quarter turn pa tayo ulit. Nagpunta tayo sa A double prime. If you want to check your answer, pwede kang gumamit ng protractor. Sukatin mo yung mula sa origin at A double prime kay A prime. This should be 90 degree angle. Then, ganun din naman sa A at A prime. Dapat makabuo naman siya ng 180 degree or straight line.